departure to Colossal Air Movers. Continue your climb to 19,000. Resume your own navigation. Contact Salt Lake Center on 121.150.
Colossal Air Movers to held departure. Roger. Going to Salt Lake ATC Center frequency on 121.150. Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Salt Lake Center. Climbing to 19,000. On course to Kilo Tango Tango Sierra.
Salt Lake Center to Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango. Roger. Continue your climb to 19,000. Squawk 1200.
Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Salt Lake Center. Roger. Continue climbing to 19,000. Squawk 1200.
Okay, Colossal with November 608 Juliet Romeo. 6082 Romeo, Salt Lake Center, squawk 6006. Stay position now, please. Airstar 82 Romeo, affirmative 6006. With 3576, for Jacksonville Airport. Jacksonville Airport, go 3576, thanks. Correction, American 756, Salt Lake Center, Roger. Salt Lake Center, final maintain, flight level 300. Hotel, flight level 300, Skydive 3726. 082 Romeo, radar contact, excuse me, 30 miles northwest of Vernal Airport, Vegas destination airport. 6082 Romeo, you're cleared to Kilo Echo India Kilo Airport via direct, time maintain, flight level 190, and stay altitude. American 1241, contact Salt Lake Center 121.15. 2150.
Salt Lake Center to Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango. You are leaving my airspace. Frequency change approved. Contact Jacksonville Center on 134.85. Squawk 1200.
Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Salt Lake Center. Roger. Contact Jacksonville Center on 134.85. Squawk 1200. Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Jacksonville Center. With you at flight level 19,000. On course to Kilo Tango Tango Sierra.
Jacksonville Center to Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango. Roger. Radar contact 20 miles northwest of Kilo Hotel Oscar Tango at flight level 19,500. Descend to 10,500. Maintain 320 knots. Continue on course to Kilo Tango Tango Sierra. Squawk 1200.
Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Jacksonville Center. Roger. Descent to 10,500. Maintain 320 knots. Continue on course to Kilo Tango Tango Sierra. Squawk 1200. Jacksonville Center to Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango.
Continue on your present heading. Descend to 5,500. Reduce speed to 250 knots. Contact Orlando approach on 134.905. Squawk 1200.
Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Jacksonville Center. Roger. Continue on present heading. Descend to 5,500. Reduce speed to 250 knots. Contact Orlando approach on 134.905. Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Orlando approach. 15 miles southwest of Kilo Tango Tango Sierra. Flight level 5,500. Inbound to land.
Orlando approach to Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango. Roger. Continue on course. Contact NASA Tower on 128.55. Squawk 1200.
Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to Orlando approach. Roger. Continue on course. Contact NASA Tower on 128.55. Squawk 1200. Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to NASA Tower. 10 miles out. Inbound to land.
NASA Tower to Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango. Roger. Continue your approach. Wind at 13 knots. Blowing from the south. Clear to land. Runway 33.
Colossal Air Movers November 5477 Tango to NASA Tower. Roger. Wind at 13 knots. Clear to land. Runway 33.
1196, contact Jack Center 133.3 today. Confidential, Alpha Jack Center, Simon maintain flight level 240, and 2218, Simon maintain flight level 290, 65021, descend and maintain flight level 260, with 1194, maintain your present heading, vector for traffic and time, and 2218, you want 37 and 39 for the final. For 539 Charlie Alpha, cigarette to Lama, 2218, Simon maintain flight level 330, 4885 Jack Center, Simon maintain flight level 330, plus 1194, 10 right heading at 355, and 2218, Simon maintain flight level 390, plus 1194, Simon maintain flight level 370, with 2308, contact Orlando approach 128.37 today. Good 1540 Jack Center, Simon maintain flight level 310, Delta 1636, Cigarette Larry, 1636, Cigarette Larry. Alpha Self Mom at 120,250 knots for land altimeter 3002. 539 Alpha Self Mom at 112,250 knots for land altimeter 3002. 4885 from Cigarette Express, Fred 49801. Fred 5683, contact Jack Center 133.3 today. 2218, contact Jack Center 133.3.